There's nothing quite as comforting as a warm bowl of split pea soup, especially when it's made with a recipe passed down through generations. This particular recipe takes me back to my childhood, to my mother's kitchen filled with the irresistible aroma of simmering spices and savory ham. It's a simple soup, made with humble ingredients, yet it possesses a depth of flavor that's both satisfying and heartwarming. Each spoonful is a trip down memory lane, a reminder of cozy evenings and shared meals with loved ones. This split pea soup recipe is more than just a recipe. It's a tradition. It's about preserving the flavors of the past and sharing them with those we hold dear. So gather your ingredients and let's embark on a culinary journey that will warm your kitchen and your soul. Before we begin our culinary adventure, let's gather the key players that will harmonize to create this comforting classic. You'll need dried split peas, of course, the heart of our soup. Then, there's the aromatic trio known as mirepoix celery, carrots, and onions, each adding their unique notes to the symphony of flavors. A ham bone, reminiscent of Sunday dinners past, lends a savory depth and richness to the broth. If a ham bone isn't readily available, fret not. A meaty ham hock or even diced pancetta can step in to provide that delightful smoky essence. Don't forget the seasonings. Bay leaves, thyme, and black pepper are essential, infusing the soup with their aromatic complexity. A pinch of salt enhances the flavors, but feel free to adjust to your liking. And of course, water, the lifeblood of our soup, will bring everything together. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, split peas. You'll find them in two varieties, green and yellow, each with its own distinct personality. Green split peas, with their earthy and slightly sweet flavor, are the more common choice for this soup. They hold their shape well during cooking, resulting in a hearty texture. Yellow split peas, on the other hand, have a milder, almost buttery taste. They tend to break down more during cooking, creating a creamier consistency. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Both varieties will yield a delicious and comforting soup. Follow your taste buds and create a soup that speaks to your culinary desires. Section 4. Building the base, from mirepoix to a rich broth. Our culinary journey begins with the captivating aroma of sautéed vegetables. In a large stockpot or Dutch oven, heat a generous drizzle of olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced celery, carrots, and onions, our mirepoix, and cook until softened and fragrant. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking. As the vegetables soften and release their sweet perfume, it's time to introduce the spices. Add the bay leaves, thyme, and black pepper, allowing them to bloom in the heat, releasing their aromatic oils. Now add the star of the show, the split peas, and stir well to coat them in the flavorful oil and spices. Finally, pour in the water or broth, ensuring the liquid covers the peas and vegetables by at least 2 inches. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Section 5. The slow dance of simmering. Now we allow the soup to simmer, a slow and gentle dance that melds the flavors into a harmonious symphony. Cover the pot and let the soup simmer for about an hour, stirring occasionally until the split peas are tender and have begun to break down. About halfway through the simmering time, add the ham bone, ham hock, or diced pancetta, if using, to the pot. This will infuse the soup with a rich, smoky depth that's simply irresistible. As the soup simmers, the ham bone will release its flavors, mingling with the sweetness of the vegetables and the earthy notes of the split peas. After an hour, remove the ham bone from the pot and let it cool slightly. Once it's cool enough to handle, use 2 forks to shred the meat, discarding the bone. Return the shredded ham to the pot during the last 15 minutes of cooking, allowing it to warm through. Section 6. A bowl full of comfort serving and savoring. As the soup simmers to perfection, you'll notice its texture transforming, becoming thicker and creamier. The split peas will have mostly broken down, creating a velvety consistency. If you prefer a thinner soup, simply add a little more water or broth to achieve your desired consistency. Ladle the steaming soup into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a pop of color and freshness. Serve it alongside crusty bread for dipping or a simple salad for a light and satisfying meal. Each spoonful is an explosion of flavor. The earthiness of the split peas, the sweetness of the carrots, the savory depth of the ham, all perfectly balanced and harmonized. More than just a soup, this recipe is a culinary legacy, a testament to the power of food to evoke memories and connect us to our roots. So savor each bite and let the warmth of this classic soup transport you back to your own cherished memories.